Just got your hands on the all-new Honda Pilot? Congrats and welcome to the club. This SUV is a powerhouse of innovation and versatility, and we're here to unlock its full potential for you. But even if you've been cruising in your Pilot for a while, I bet there are still hidden gems you haven't discovered yet. So buckle up and get ready to experience the Pilot difference. Beat the elements before you even get in. No more scrambling into a freezing car on a frosty morning. The remote engine start, available on all trims, lets you pre-warm or cool down your Pilot from afar using your key fob. Simply press the lock button once to lock the doors as usual. Then, press and hold the hold button for a few seconds until you see your Pilot's parking lights flash several times. This indicates a successful remote start. Your Honda's engine will now be running, and the climate control system will start working to pre-warm or cool down the cabin, depending on the weather. For more information on this feature, watch one of our previous episodes. Fresh air in a flash. Stuck in a hot parking lot? With a double tap and hold of the unlock button on your key fob, all windows, and sunroof if equipped, will roll down simultaneously, flushing out hot air and leaving your Pilot refreshingly cool before you step inside. Effortless entry and exit. Forget fumbling for keys. The Pilot's smart entry system, by default, unlocks just the driver's door when you grab the handle with the key fob on you. If you often have passengers, especially children, there's no need to manually unlock the other doors every time. The Pilot can be set to automatically unlock all doors when you grab the driver's handle. Just go to Vehicle Settings, then Keyless Access Setup. Under Door Unlock mode, choose All Doors. That's it. Perfect for parents with impatient kids like myself. However, if you own a Touring, Elite, or Black Edition, your rear doors feature the same convenient smart entry system as the front, unlocking all doors with a simple touch of either rear handle when carrying your key fob. Ever driven off wondering if you locked the car? The Walk-Away Auto Lock, standard on all trims, has you covered. Simply turn off the engine, walk away, and the Pilot will automatically lock itself after a few feet and beep, giving you peace of mind and extra security. To activate this feature, go to the Vehicle Settings, find Door Settings, and select Walk-Away Auto Lock. Choose On, and you're all set. Locking your Honda Pilot without a key fob. Need to lock your Pilot but forgot your key fob? In previous Honda models, you could lock the car from the inside without your key fob on you. But the new Pilot security system works differently and unlocks the car right away. No worries though. Instead, simply go around and press the lock button on the front passenger door. The Pilot will beep to confirm, and all doors will be securely locked. Individualize comfort on every drive. With EXL trims and above, each key fob can be programmed to remember your preferred settings. Think seat positions, mirror angles, and even climate control can be customized to your liking. To set it up, first, make sure the car is turned on. Move the driver's seat to where you like it best. Press the Set button. This starts the memory setting. Quickly press either the 1 or 2 button to save the seat position. You'll hear a beep, which means the position is saved. You do the same steps for each button and key. Traffic jams? No problem. Say goodbye to leg cramps during stop-and-go traffic. The brake hold feature, standard on all trims, is here to help. When in traffic, ensure you have your seatbelt on and press the corresponding button to activate brake hold. Then, take your foot off the brake pedal. Your Pilot will now hold the brakes for you while you're still in drive mode, allowing you to relax a bit. A simple tap on the gas gets you moving again. For an in-depth tutorial, check out one of our previous episodes. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Clear view, always. For those who seek adventure, the Pilot's Elite, Black Edition, and Trail Sport trims come equipped with a camera washer. This ingenious feature ensures your rear view and front cameras stay clean and functional, even in off-road conditions or bad weather. To activate the front camera washer, make sure the vehicle is turned on. Locate the washer lever on the right side of the steering wheel and pull it towards you to activate the front windshield washer. The front camera washer will automatically engage, cleaning the front camera along with the windshield. Similarly, for the rear camera washer, twist the end of the washer lever to the rear washer position. The rear camera washer will activate along with the rear windshield washer, keeping the rear camera clean. Customize your drive. The EXL and higher trims feature customizable screen layouts on the infotainment system. Similar to arranging apps on a smartphone, simply tap and hold the app you want to move, then drag it to your desired location on the screen. This intuitive design allows you to personalize your system, ensuring a smoother and more tailored driving experience. Family harmony on the road. Family road trips can be a whole lot more harmonious with audio zones. This feature lets you control the music in different parts of the car. During our recent Florida trip, the kids peacefully dozed off while I listened to audiobooks and navigation directions through the speakers around the driver. Other speakers were on mute, creating a peaceful oasis for both driver and passengers. And when the Baby Shark chorus inevitably erupted, I simply redirected the sound to their zone, keeping my driving zen intact. Here's a handy tip. With the SiriusXM app, you can replay any music, track, or show using the playback bar on the screen. Your Pilot has a built-in hard drive that records SiriusXM from the moment you start the car, keeping up to 1 hour of memory. This means you can listen to your favorite song as many times as you want. Effortless loading and unloading. The walk-away tailgate close on the newest Honda Pilot, Touring, Elite, and Black Edition automatically closes the tailgate when you walk away from the vehicle with the key fob. After loading or unloading your cargo, simply press the corresponding button inside the Pilot. And when you walk away, the tailgate will close automatically after a few seconds. It's a nice, convenient feature that enhances the practicality of everyday use. Tailgate memory on the EXL and higher trims allows you to set a preferred opening height, ideal for accommodating low garage ceilings or ensuring easier access. To set the position, simply press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until you hear a confirmatory beep. Your Pilot will now remember this height for future use, adding convenience to your daily routines. More flexible than ever. Don't need all the seating? The newest Honda Pilot offers even more flexibility with its removable center seat. This convenient feature, available on all trims except Base Sport and Trail Sport, due to its 7-seat configuration, allows you to create a convenient walkthrough for passengers in the back, or extra space between the 2 second-row passengers. To remove the seat, first unfold the armrest, then release the bottom latch, lift the seat, and carefully pull out. You can store it in the hidden compartment under the cargo floor, maximizing your Pilot's versatility for any adventure. When reinstalling the removable center seat, it's crucial to ensure a secure fit. Look for a red indicator located next to the release lever underneath the seat, which signifies a loose attachment. This indicator should turn black once the seat is properly attached and ready for use. A loose seat can be dangerous, so always double-check the indicator before using the reinstalled seat. These are just a few of the many features that make the 2025 Honda Pilot such a remarkable SUV.